Hi everyone, and welcome to HHPL's Introduction to TinkerCAD. TinkerCAD is a free, web-based tool for 3D design that's perfect for beginners. Whether you're a student, teacher, hobbyist, or professional, TinkerCAD is designed to be easy and fun to use. We'll explore its features, how to get started, and some tips for creating your own designs. TinkerCAD is packed with features that make it a standout tool for 3D design. Its intuitive interface means you can start creating without needing extensive training. You'll have access to a wide range of shapes and tools that allow you to bring your ideas to life. From basic geometric shapes to more complex objects, the possibilities are endless. TinkerCAD also integrates seamlessly with 3D printing, so you can turn your digital designs into physical objects. It's a fantastic tool for educational purposes, helping students understand spatial awareness and design principles. Hobbyists will love the creativity it enables, and professionals can use it for rapid prototyping and design exploration. Getting started with TinkerCAD is incredibly easy. First, go to the TinkerCAD website and sign up for a free account. Once you've created your account, you'll be taken to the workspace where all the magic happens. The workspace is your canvas where you can create and manipulate your designs. You'll see a toolbar on the right with all the essential tools you'll need. Start by exploring the Basic Shapes library, where you can drag and drop shapes onto the work plane. The work plane is your primary area for placing and manipulating objects. You can easily adjust shapes by resizing, rotating, and combining them to create intricate designs. Let's dive into a hands-on demonstration and create a simple 3D model. We'll make a basic house. First, select a rectangle for the base of the house and drag it onto the work plane. Next, add a triangular prism shape for the roof and align it with the base. You can adjust the size and position of each shape using the control handles. To add more detail, include smaller shapes for windows and a door. The Shape Generator tool lets you customize and tweak shapes to fit your design perfectly. Use the Align tool to ensure everything is symmetrical and group the shapes together to form a cohesive model. This project showcases how versatile and powerful TinkerCAD's tools are, even for beginners. TinkerCAD also offers advanced features for users who want to take their designs to the next level. One of the standout features is the ability to create custom shapes, allowing for precise and creative designs. You can use precise measurements to ensure your models are accurate and detailed. The Duplicate tool is great for saving time and maintaining consistency in your designs. Additionally, TinkerCAD has a thriving community where you can find user-generated projects, tutorials, and forums to enhance your skills and get inspired by others' work. Just to recap, TinkerCAD is a powerful yet easy-to-use tool that makes 3D design accessible to everyone. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, TinkerCAD provides all the resources you need to succeed. So get started today and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to share your creations with the TinkerCAD community and explore what others have made. For more resources and tutorials, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy designing!